Content type. Now, content type has some constants that you can use. For example, JSON, form, multipart. When are you going to use these? Most of the time you will use it when you have to, say, create a particular data packet for a remote call. Now, for remote call, there are ready-made functions. There is a API for that. But at certain point of time, if you want to use content type, you can. Then it has some language related keywords to be supported. Again, this has been used in one of the places. It is used in one of the component that actually shows you option to switch from one language to another. But if you want to use these constants, you can very rarely or not to be used. So App Manager is a special app which is basically uh, maintaining the definitions of the application. As you know, there are three to four primary applications in the platform. One is Uno Portal, second is Uno Apps, and third is Uno Platform. So Uno Apps or App Manager is where you define the applications and manage that life cycle. You can activate, deactivate, set up, backup schedule, indicate what will be the database. If you are not using the default database, you can specify a path to a secondary database. You can that way you can migrate your content from one database to another database. All that is done in App Manager. So if you want to have a ID of that, you can get it. But most of the time, we know it is hard coded, so we hardly use this long path. We simply hard code it to uno underscore. Then app setting, meta tag, set some icon. So for the whole app, if I want to dynamically set a few things like links and meta tags and icons, theme color, all these things, this will be used when you are writing a new application and then you want to make it ready for search engine optimization. So these uh, quick functions will help you modify the global settings of your application. And most of the things will be put up in your head or head tag of the HTML, and then that will make your application more SEO ready. LS session, rarely to be used, session validity period, small screen. Now, small screen is something that's a hard constant. You will rarely use it directly. What you will use it is a check if your screen is small right now or not. So it is about identifying if your client is accessing the application on a small screen or a larger screen. Basis this, you can change or switch your styles. You can decide on different layouts, different styling. So this is a convenience method. The limits for the small screen is the width has to be lesser than 900 pixel and height should also be lesser than 900 pixel. So any screen which is less than 900 by 900 is considered small screen. Anything above that is considered large screen. Fine. Then you have some things related to internationalization, not in use right now.